We're here with EB, and EB has come from where?
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania, okay. Um, why don't you put into your own words your story and what's happened and why you ultimately came to our office?
I was looking for like a cosmetic fix for my eye, and I was told by other doctors that like nothing really could be done. So I did research on the internet, and I found a place in New York, and I was like, oh, I really don't want to drive that far. So I looked a little deeper, and then I found Dr.
And what happened that brought this about?
Just life. I just didn't want to. I wanted to fix how I looked.
Well, what caused the problem to begin with?
Oh, like what was I? Well, I was born. Well, when I was 3 months old, I had like a cataract, and they had to do surgery to remove the lens of my eye.
Good.
And they never replaced the lens.
And what can you tell us about where your eye is positioned?
You mean like it's turned in?
Right,
Yeah.
so the eye was turned in, and that
Yes.
really, and that made you feel a little uncomfortable, right?
Very uncomfortable.
Very uncomfortable.
Yes.
And you're obviously not a child, you're not a teenager, so you've been living with this for some time now, right?
My whole life.
Okay, and how does it make you feel?
Insecure.
Insecure, okay. And how do you feel about it now?
I feel a lot better. I know it's only been in for a couple minutes, but this is like probably like game changing for me.
Game changer, yeah. We're kind of zooming in and we're trying to figure out which eye has the special lens in it. Because right now, your eyes look beautiful. They're pointing straight. How do you feel?
Really excited, actually. I feel like my insecurities were like stopping me from like going further in life. Not that I'm like not doing bad or anything, but I feel like this is just gonna make me feel a lot more secure with myself.
Great. Wonderful.
And yeah, thank you.
Good. Anything else you'd like to share?
You should definitely come here if you're having problems, insecurities with your eyes.
Good. Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you.